What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? I am working on a bumper latch. Well, not really a latch. It's like something to keep your bumper up if it keep on coming down or hanging some kind of way. This how it's gonna look. See that little gap? Yeah, it's gonna keep it from gapping all the way. See? Yep. You can also have it on there for fashion or however you like it. But I'm putting it on my car so my bumper won't be hanging low or trying to fall off. So yeah, I'll put the thumbnail up where you can get this if you want it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That's all.